In this demonstration, we are going to learn how we can log in into our Apex workspace. In order to log in into your Apex workspace, what you have to do is you can make a quick Google search using this keyword Apex workspace login. You can click on this first hyperlink that says Oracle Apex -sign in. Click on this. So here it will ask for the workspace name. We can give our workspace name over here. Username and the password you can quickly fill up over here. I will quickly populate the username and the password and click on sign in. This will straight away take you to the Oracle Apex workspace. Now you might ask that I have not requested for a free workspace that is for the Apex. Rather, I have created a workspace within my ATP database. How I will log in? Now, in order to log in into your Apex workspace, which you created with ATP or the standalone Apex workspace that is under the developer services under the Apex, what you have to do is you have to go into your respective resources. Like here in this case, I'm going to my database. I will click on this database actions. From here, I will select view all database actions. So this is going to open up a new tab on my browser. So there are a couple of ways how we can navigate to our workspace. That is, one is click on the navigation menu and click on Apex, or you can click on the development, click on the Apex and open, or you can go for the administration tab over here, click on the Apex workspaces. So this will list all the workspaces which you have created in this database. So I have created this Learning Apex 1001. So I can click on this, open in a new tab, this mark, click on this. This is going to open up a new tab on my browser. You can copy the URL and save in the notepad. So tomorrow when you want to log in into the Apex workspace which you have created with ATP database or with the help of these developer services in the Oracle Cloud, then you have to just copy paste the URL which it is showing currently on your browser tab. Just make a note of this. So tomorrow when you want to log in, just paste that in the browser and populate the details. From here in this case, I will populate the details and the password. So we will log into our Apex workspace. So in my classes going ahead, I will be using the Apex workspace which I have created with my ATP database. So you can use both the things, ATP database or standalone Apex instance which you created over here, or the free Apex workspace which we have requested from the Oracle. Now workspace, in short, it is nothing but the virtual runtime instance which you are creating with the database in order to build the applications. Simultaneously, n number of people can create the workspaces and interact with the same schema to build the applications. So like this workspace creates a virtual runtime instance on top of your database that is to work on the applications. So in our coming classes, we will look in the product components for Oracle workspace, that is App Builder, SQL Workshop, Team Development and Gallery.